see, and yet I try to understand what it is that can't let go. Can't run without you, cannot find a way to go. If you bring me to you, when did I? Before there's something inside me that's trying to guide me. It's bringing me to a land that I've never seen before, showing me something that I lost somehow, somewhere. Once you find love, you'll be free then. You couldn't be that I say what's true, giving you thoughts inside in your head to know. I see myself inside you, yet I hide beside you. I cannot see, cannot think, cannot fear my love for you. If you bring me to you, to your place, then I will never find regret. Love is easy when you feel it. Love me, find me, giving you thoughts inside in your head to know.